Welcome to the new episode of PCS Practical. In this session, I am going to discuss about the type command and the rename command of DOS operating system. So let us first discuss about the type command. It used to check the content of the file. There are two operators associated with this command, such as single greater than sign and double greater than sign, used to copy the content from one file to another file. Okay, so basically type command is used to check the content of the file, as well as it used to copy the file using two different operators. So first we'll check the basic use of the type command. I need to open my command prompt, so I will open the command prompt. Okay, so first of all I have to change my drive. Fine, so open fy folder, dir. Let's check. There is one file and two directories. dos.txt. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use type command, type space dos.txt. So after writing this command, type space dos.txt, you are able to view the content of the file, what you have already added in this file, right? What contents are there. So you can see there are three lines. Hello world, this is my first file. Now I can edit my file, right? So in previous lecture I have created this file. So in this lecture I have just check what is available in that file. Okay, so now let us use one of the operator, that is a single greater than sign, right? So single greater than sign, see, if you write type, then the file name 1, then the symbol greater than symbol one time and another file. So two possibility. If file 2.txt does not exist, then it will create the file and the content of the file 1 is copied to file 2. And if file 2 is already exists, then file 2.txt will be overwrite with the content of the file. Okay, so in our case, let's say type space dos.txt, which this file is existed already, and let's say new.txt I'm going to create, right? So the new.txt does not exist in my drive. So in this case it will create the file and the content of the DOS will be copied to new.txt, right? I'll press enter. Let's check dir. There is two file, dos and new.txt. Now let's check what is what are the content available in the new.txt. So that is similar to this, right? This 3 line, because you have copied this file into a new file, right? So let's check type space new.txt. Yes, so same 3 statements are there. Okay, so that means the first possibility works for our case, in which if the file is not existed, so it will created the file and the content of the DOS file is copied to new file. Now let's check the another possibility. Since two files are there, right? So what I'm going to do, I am going to now edit my file. Which file? The file number 2, because in both the files same content. I don't want that. So I will edit the file, edit new dot txt. See, now contents are there. I will remove hello world. I will remove last line also. I can edit my file now, and instead of first file I will write this is my second file, right? Save, exit. Now let's type space new dot txt. So now you can find there is only one line. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a same type command, type dos1.txt greater than symbol new.txt. Now in this case now our scenario 2 works because the file is already exist, but the file 2 will be overwrite with the content of file 1. So let's see. Let's type dos.txt, not dos, type new.txt. See, so previously in new.txt there is this is my second file. Since I have used a single greater than symbol, right? So you can see the file dos.txt content replaced by the content of the new.txt. Got it? Right? So both the scenario I have discussed practically. For the single operator, single greater than sign with the type command, let's go for double greater than sign. If file 2 does not exist, then it will create the file and the content of file 1.txt is copied to file 2. And in another scenario, if file 2.txt exists, then file 1 will be added with file 2. That means here in this case there is no overwrite thing, right? The old file content added with new file content. So for that what I have to do, I have to again edit my new file, right? So I'll use edit command, edit new.txt, right? I will change the content. Hi, this is my second new file. Let's save and exit. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use type command with double greater than sign. So dos1.txt double greater than and the new.txt. Yes, now let's check the type new.txt. Now you can find that there is total 5 lines, right? Hi, this is my second file and the content of dos.txt where there is 3 lines, so that is also added in this, right? So in single greater than sign you can overwrite 2 file and you can create the copy, and in double greater than sign you can add the content of 2 files and you can create the copy, right? Okay, so I hope you are clear with the type command. Let's check the rename command. This is the command is used to rename your file. So ren file1.txt space file2.txt. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I am going to use ren command with new dot txt. Instead of this I will use old dot txt, right? So let's check with dir command. So instead of new file, you can find there is a DOS and old, only two files are there. So new file is renamed with the old.txt. Got it? Okay, that's it for today's session. I hope you're enjoying my video. Please do the practice for this command as well. Thanks for watching my video. We'll meet soon in the next session.